Joy this life, cause I obsess and I prophesize why I am not at the top of everything in this.
Okay, so what can be compared? Oh, example. Okay, I see. Yeah. Makes sense. So inside the parentheses, we still need to flip. Yeah, because we now should have for anything else. That's interesting. Yes. Yeah. Like this. No. Yeah, but you need to have parentheses, but that shouldn't make a difference. That's interesting. Why does it? So what we have here operator 5. Correct. Inside parentheses we have operator multiply number 8. Correct. Multiply plus 1. Oh wait. No, that's not correct. So why didn't it make? Is it correct with 5? Yeah, it's correct with 5 because 5 and parentheses are the only operators. But look at the inside of parentheses. Why? Yeah, all operators should be on in the left side. So operator, and we will have make left precedent. Operator multiply is about 8. No, it should be about 3. Yeah, for some reason make left precedent doesn't happen for understand. I believe we just compiled it incorrectly. No, that's here. You can see that operator multiply on operator 8, where what should have seen here is operator 8 multiplied by operator 3, because we made the left precedent. But we not only want to read, we also want to make it make left precedent. Okay, so make left precedent work here. And multiply by 3. Let's do where operand 1 is make left precedent, operand 2, should we do the same with operand 2 and operand 3? Yeah, we should. Precedent operand. So everything we have. Action. If we have make left precedent for operator 2 and 3, should we still apply make left precedent? By the way, we know for sure here that operand 2 also can be just parentheses. So maybe we can do like that. We can have operand 1, operand 2. We do make left precedent on operator 2. And then in result we have operator. Yeah, but we can check now whether result will have operator. If it's operator, if we have left precedent, it means that the most right operator will be first in the chain of calls. So what we need to do is to insert our first operator and actually the second operator too in the leftmost link of the tree. By the way, don't you think that reading sep by would be even better? Since you can use that. Yeah, sep by is bad because it drops separators. So that's what we don't want. But we can do it different. We can read operator plus expression. Plus parenthesis or number. Yes. If we do it like that, then we can actually use main to read. And also we can store operator expression as show operand and list of operator plus operand. This is perfect because then we just need to, when we evaluate, just go through the list and apply our operations. Yeah, that's make left precedence is bullshit. So let's say that our expression will be operator. So it will be a bit different. It will be expression and list of character and another operand. we say it like this, then here then we say that yeah, so one we already read it, so expressions. So we read operator, we should do it many times. We can use many here. And I believe that actually will work. So what we have here operator expression with operator skip spaces. Not necessarily. Or I would rather state that the upper parser should be responsible for skipping spaces. I think that's better. Yeah, and we have operand, and we will return this operator and operand. Yes, sounds good to me. What about you? Okay, so then here. Many one, right? We need many one. Actually, many works just the same. Because it just won't read. So we will say that operator operations. Yeah, operations will be many, and we read op expression, but because we decided to use without spaces, so here we need to skip spaces in operator expression. So we will have op, and result here is return operation operand 1. Actually, we don't need here a difference between number and operation then. No, because expression can be... Yes, we need difference. Expression can be anything, but number can be just once. So technically, we won't have it here operand. Here we'll be having only number or parentheses for sure. And actually everywhere is there. this way we ensure that we so inside will be num or parentheses. If we have parentheses, we already have some information, so it's not just skipping over. So it's recursive data type expression of number because of that we can just return operation why so easy? That one. Which is a separation. Operation we have ops, which is which is not perfect, but we can always flip the function. Why would you flip if you can write it down? So we have operand and we have plus and we have operand 2. So
It's gotta be me. There's no way someone else could feel this way I feel about you. And we're free to be what we want and touch the sky together. Before you came around, I was drowning in the depths of despair. And then when you finally came, it's funny you were running away. But when you look in my eyes, I'm a rabbit in the headlights.
apply
And when you're touching my skin, I'm a river in the moonlight. It's got to be the right time, the right place, the right kind of moment.
that should be
It's got to be the right kind of feeling and deeper emotion.
okay. Let's say
I'm
we can close
holding
the
back insecurity,
where
taking
about
2 steps forward, 1 step back from you.
so
I'm afraid if I try to reach too soon that you might back away. How can I try to hide a feeling that's so wonderful? How do I tell you that you're the fire burning in my soul? 'Cause when you look in my eyes, I'm a rabbit in the headlights. And when you're touching my skin, I'm a river in the moonlight.
this is expression. It is
It's
about
got to be the right time, the right place, the right kind of moment. It's got to be the right kind of feeling and deeper emotion.
yes.
Cause when you look in my eyes, I'm a rabbit in the headlights. And baby, when you're touching my skin, I'm a river in the moonlight. It's got to be
See about this, and resulted code there or much worse. But I think that's because
I'm blinded by the street light.
because we have
It's like I'm running
plus and multiply the same precedent.
so distant on the outside. I'm a wanderer covered in disguise. I'm blinded by the street
Let's try
light.
it on the view.
It's like I'm hiding in plain sight. So distant on the outside. I'm a wanderer covered in disguise. I'm blinded. I'm blinded.
No parse right, because we not parsing one evaluation, so parsing
I'm blinded. I'm a wanderer covered in disguise.
So what we'll do here is lines and map read.
watching.
Evaluate the expression on each line of the homework. What is the sum of resulting equations?
Oh, as we're falling, losing focus, hard to notice. You said we never hold on to the moments while we remember. Losing focus, hard to notice.
Sounds nice.
I'm blinded by the street lights.
Yeah, cool.
It's like I'm hiding in plain sight.
But I spent
So distant on the outside, I'm a wanderer covered in disguise. I'm blinded by the street lights. It's like I'm
many songs with child questions they perform
distant on the
but get stuck
outside.
when they reach
I'm a wanderer covered in disguise.
different precedent levels, but they're not the ones you're familiar with. Instead, I teach things related before multiplication. For example, the steps to evaluate the expression are now as follows. Yeah, okay.
I'm a wanderer covered in disguise.
What we can do here? Hard question, actually. What we can do here? So we already have a parsing technique for the same level operators. So we have an array. So in this array it's really easy to understand. We just need to group by the operator with higher precedence, evaluate, and then apply operators of lower precedence. Okay, that's super easy, so I will just do it right now. Yeah, so I'm not regretting rewriting the code to actually be with the list, because now we can manipulate the list very well. Instead of just folding. We'll have group by. The question is, we have the first operate. So should it be grouped by with or should only operate by? So what actually should happen here, I believe, that yeah, I'm not sure. So we are taking from the list while we have multiplication plus because precedents are involved, and when we need product, we just can skip. We can evaluate the rest of the list. So to do this, I believe we need to actually group the rest of the list by the operator. That's for sure. Yeah, let's do it. So we still for the either number or parentheses. Map eval ops map fmap eval ops fmap eval ops. Yeah, that's correct. Then we want to group by and group by first, because first is an operator. So now we'll have list of lists. That's actually interesting. So what we can do is just to pretend that before the first operand there is an operator multiply, and we can group with the rest, so we would not need special handling. And we actually need the plus, because reference is reversed. Yeah, let's do this. So we we're also saying that let's have plus operator and operand as the first in this list. Actually, yes, we can store operator just as a list of operands, and when we read first we just add some random operator like plus or multiplication. How do we decide which? So how do we decide which is depends on the precedence. So in our case plus has lower precedence, higher precedence, right? So it should be plus, but we can do on these steps as well. That doesn't matter. Actually, we sort of separate the evaluation process from parsing process. So since we group by first, now for each of them we can do just map, and for each submap we are saying choose only second, because that's really important to remember. But that's map, because we previously list for each choose that second and sum. Yes, because sum has bigger precedence and over everything choose product. I just remembered that I not want to use products, but actually 11 examples. Yeah, they look the same. So what's wrong? So parsing was the same.
The night sky,
So we say, let's say that plus 1.
love, erasing a lifetime. I walk alone, I'm a lone wolf, watching it unfold, observing
So we are
it.
saying group by.
I'm just an outsider looking in. How did it ever become so real? I'm just a hunter and you're the kill.
Alright, because we won't get
Sleep of the night,
yeah, we are getting
sleepwalking.
but still we
Now
have
I can sense you're near.
classes.
Coming my
We will
way,
have
sleepwalking.
stars as well.
I
So
feel the love
what we need here to have is to apply classes first.
sleepwalking. Now you can sense I'm here.
And then go
Leading your way, sleepwalking. I live for blood and tears.
okay, so what
You're
we need to
searching
here,
for someone
we are saying
who
group
is
by,
gone and I can
and we can
change it now.
do operators on this list.
We are damned and I can change it now. I can remember, I don't forgive.
Oh, we
I'm
cannot,
just an outsider
because if we
looking
have
in.
pair multiply by number, and then we have a list of
I'm
classes
just
plus
a
classes.
hunter and you're the kill.
So first we need to apply classes.
Sleepwalking.
Then we have
Now I
plus
can
something,
sense you're near.
multiply by something plus something. But at least we will know now that we will have operators different. So it will be plus, multiply, plus, multiply, or it will be multiply, plus, multiply, plus. Actually, we will for sure know it will be plus because we input plus first operand. That's nice. We don't know what it will be ending with. We probably shouldn't know. So if we know what would be the operators,
Getting closer, mind is frozen,
we also
shut
will
your
know
eyes.
which
You won't feel it if I hold you tight tonight. Sleep of the night,
each
sleepwalking.
multiplication should
Now I
be
can
this
sense
operand
you're
is
near.
next to plus.
Coming my way, sleepwalking. I feel the blood and fear. Night after night, sleepwalking. Now you can sense I'm here.
Apply pluses.
Leading your way, sleepwalking. I live for blood and tears.
Actually, we can just drop every operator because we know now which operator is right. Then we drop the operators. We'll have probably all operators. So the only thing we need to do is to second plus third operand and then third with fourth and so on. Wow, we have strip prefix. I've used this function before, I didn't know that. Is suffix of is infix of. Wow, there are such functions. What we are looking here is not here. There are a lot of functions here. Generic split at. No. But generic index, generic certificates is actually quite good. To have this slice, but because there is no slice, I am wondering how we can just iterate. It's taking 2 elements each time. No, I don't think it's possible. So what I want to do is to have a list and transform it in the way which uses 2 elements, and that would be easy if we can zip this tail list, but we also want to drop every second in the resulting list because we don't consider it. And it's hard to do. Why don't we just do it? Wow, that's a so simple thing. Because we don't want to filter. I don't want to write recursive function. Because to make it performant you need to write this accumulator. So the function takes accumulator, so the function can be written as calling itself, and it will be 10 functions. But I don't see how can we use zip to achieve the same. Actually we can use if we write splice function. Actually, okay. So we can group by using indices. So it's like generalized group by. Group by is already generalized. What is generic? Generic take. So a loaded version of take which accepts any integer value as an with 6 totally different. So when we receive the results of group by, we indeed can now. So we need to do a map. We need to apply a function. There is there. So we say map second, but what we can do squash. Yes, squash, and we will have ops. Yes, and we want to use foldel using head, first of the head, which is of ops, which is our operation. We will use foldel1 because we will use just the first as the accumulator. So here we will have squash, and we are using here on map of so now we need to split in pairs. And first value should not be and also the last one can be multiplied by something. So if it's multiplied by something and it won't have pair, we're going to just apply 0. I'm not sure how we should. Oh, this is tough to do. So what we say? So we should make sure that the first squashed add operand, we know for sure it's plus. But if we don't, we don't know. So we want to add operand to ourselves, so it would be squash. Wait. Can we say for sure that it would be plus operand? Yeah, we can say that for sure because it will be 0 plus operand and then multiplied by something. So but to do this, we actually need to squash current operator operand with the first operand with all classes of that. Then we are able to squash. And after we squash, can we just have 2 iterations and just apply all pluses and then apply all multiplies? It sounds like we cannot because you will need replacement of the current operand, which we can do, but I don't think it will be nice. Add second third for strips and so on. And we for sure know that the last one will be plus, so yeah, so we will need to apply plus n. We cannot do filter, right? Oh, can we group by 2? Can group actually take group one to take a list and return the list of the sets that we can make the result is equal to yeah, I think we need to do here group by each. Yes. Water. Can we say squash would be because we will do some stuff with squash time. So after this squash, we can take the force operator. We can do this by saying here. I for sure know that plus will be here, so I say inside we want something. By the way, squashed. You created map so much. What is squash? Oops. Yeah, and it will return index. Equals on first. Yes, and we return folder on second op, so we already have deleted all the operators. So should map sum would be fine. Then we say yeah, because the character is not a function. Yeah, it was in the main function, in the main task. What we want here to have is operation, and plus it will be plus. And for it will be multiply. So operation error unknown couldn't much expected type. Wow, with actual type feature. The second one is plus plus now. Why do you expect this operation? Oh, right, you expect because there is a value instead. Okay, no worries. We can do num or var. Actually, we can use the number 0. Oh, that's the first problem. So, also what? In ops we already have functions instead of characters. I don't believe. Here. Yeah, so you have first, and you say operation here. Yes. Much expected type char now or bar. Search is probably because we need to do something like that. It's not that simple. Pretty much in the second one we have plus x. Actual type is just yes. Pretty much expected type character is type character plus operation. Wait. Yeah, of course. The equation for eval. So for some reason, product should return bad. right, I totally forgot that we need to map 7. Not only on div 2, but on first. This is the correct answer. What a question. It's actually a correct answer. 51. 46. 1000. That one is wrong. Number 5. It's actually different example. No. But somewhere we forgot to multiply by 2. Somewhere. Interesting. So here what we've got is that each sub-expression should be evaluated. So let's So I'm asking you, and you tell me 7,000, and I am like, calculate all this stuff. 7 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 12 by 3 plus 16. the operator operation. So we will leave plus 7 multiplied by 9 plus 1. And then we say group by diff. And this will group 7, 9 and 1. In group 9 and 1, it will add 9 and 1 first, and then it will add 7 and multiply by 7. So that's mistake here. Yeah, that for some reason you are not using operator. So what we should add here is plus 0. So somehow you need to force 7 to be evaluated. Together. And we will have plus 7 multiplied by 3. Yeah, so we want the first operator be interpreted the same as the second one. Except of course we cannot know actually that's not a problem. If we group by the divs, we for sure want to know whether we group zeros with 1 or ones with 2. We want to know that. That's why I try to add operator plus in the beginning to know for sure that we start with plus. We don't know. So to make sure that we start with plus, we can add plus 0. It will be with pluses if it's squash. If there is no pluses, 7 will squash. Yes, that's exactly what we want. We want 7 to be squashed. And then, when we have plus 0 in the beginning, plus 0 in the end, since plus should be the one the first to calculate, we will squash the first and the second. The third and the fourth. So basically the zeros in the first, the second and the third. And just to make sure that we will have pair, even though we don't necessarily need them, do we need plus 0 in them? So in case we will have odd number of operands, it would be the last one would be plus something, because the first one is plus 0 multiplied by something. So the odd numbers of operands, the last one will be plus. So since we will use full belt there or sum there, yeah, we will use sum. Yeah, I so we will have plus 0 multiplied by something, plus something multiplied by something, and plus 0, so plus something. we will have plus something multiplied by something, let's know that pluses should be done first. So when we have plus 0 multiplied by something, okay, if we have plus multiplied, we need to squash the first and the second, the third and the fourth. So what we have even number of, so meaning that multiply is the last operation. Then group by will separate the last element in this each group, and we will try to find sum of least of one element, and it will be just okay. So that's great because we don't need to add one element as last here. It works just fine without it. But we also don't want to have just plus operand. Actually, what should be the operand here? Because we want to squash operand. So in case the next operand is plus, it would be just okay. And it would be just okay if the next operand is star. So that's perfect. Plus why do we need 0? Why do we need 0 here? I don't know. It would be squashed. Why do we need it? So we need 0 here. We want operand to be squashed. We don't want to leave it as it is. Or we don't care actually. Operand, imagine, then the next is star. So we will have plus. So we will need to squash operand first with something, and we'll get just operand. Then so in the end, the first operand should be squashed with the second, because wrong here because it is 484. We say plus 7, so we will multiply, we will get plus 7 multiplied by 9 plus 1. So what we actually need to do. will give nice result, but what's about previous example? Yeah, like multiply by 1 plus 2 multiplied by 3. It will group 1 and 2, which is perfect. No, it will do. We'll have for sure multiplication first. And then we will need to group okay, so that's nice mnemonic. We need to do some plus. Is working, so I can't write correct function for it, but let's try. So we have group by, and we say we have characters. Want to a list on the jumps, a list of lists such as the range of the results of the block. Oh, each sublist. Let's see as a source. Probably something why you don't have to see this, but why it evolved. So it takes one element. By I see. So it takes the first element, takes all the elements and goes to the first. Wait. It's span, so it's not a filter. It's span. Will take elements until they equal to the first one, which is not necessarily what we want to have. Definitely not we want. Not something we want to have. Because what I want here so what we are basically by
Take it. I surrender the attack. Never mind the killing, taste enough. Straight to the core. A moment was stolen. Time has won the soul. A moment was stolen. Time has won. Beyond memory, faces I see mean nothing to me. Only shadows in my dreams. Beyond memory, why is it me? And no one can see. Only shadows in my dreams. Fake it. I surrender to the fight. I can see the darkness in your eyes. Down to the bone.
group by
Your victim was chosen. Time has won
X
all along.
Y S
Your victim was chosen.
group by
Time has
Y though.
beyond memory. Faces I see
It's lazy.
mean nothing to me. Only shadows in my dreams. Beyond memory, why is it me? And no one can see. Only shadows in my dreams. Paint me with your color and your love. Never mind the killing. Beyond memory, faces I see.
So this sounds like a nice idea, right?
Only shadows in my dreams. Beyond memory,
Instead of list,
why is it
instead of
me?
your list.
And no one can see. Only shadows in my dreams. Only shadows in my dreams. Only shadows in my dreams.
So what we actually want to have here is just split by the multiplication, and inside these splits sum. But we just cannot do this because we cannot. Actually. So let's say we are going. We have operation is plus. So if it's plus, we can safely group, and when it's multiplication, we say no. Okay, so understanding of how group by works actually did a good job here. Okay, I don't want to write this, so I will say from the very beginning. The operation will probably need we don't. should have map, eval. Actually, I also can do map second eval. It doesn't matter. Yeah, it matters. You don't want to have map eval. Yeah, you want to have it map second eval. Yeah. Okay, good. 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 Perfect. Main task. Yeah. It was. So I like the